Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the bulbs on the full beams and the side lights, remove the cover. To change the H7 full beam bulb, take the black terminal cable and pull on it. The bulb should come out easily by pulling on it and making small forward and back movements. Remove the light bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Finally, put pressure on the bulb to block it in place. Reattach the connector.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.
To replace the side lights, stay in the same compartment. Take the white power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the rubber cover back on. To change the H7 dipped beam bulbs, remove the cover on the car body side. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. The bulb should come out easily by pulling on it and making small forward and back movements. Remove the light bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Finally, put pressure on the bulb to block it in place. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb board and make a turn anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. You can use a pair of pliers to help. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.